Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report raid on your account on Discord on your server, easy and quick. First click like this and here you will find report raid, click on it, and here as you see just select what you want and click here, and that's it. It will be reported. And that's it for today. That's how to report your raid on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.